Let's continue our topic movement in other animals. Now we will discuss movement in birds and snakes. First is movement in birds. Birds generally move on the ground and fly in the air. So let's observe their body, that how they are able to walk and fly. Let's have a look. They have a streamlined body that helps them to fly. The body of birds has hollow bones, which makes them lightweight. The bony parts of their forelimb are modified to wings. They have a strong shoulder bones, and the breast muscles are also strong enough to move the wings up and down. The hind limbs are modified for walking and perching. Perching is a process of catching the objects with their toes. Let's proceed to next topic, that is movement in snakes. Snakes move through slithering. It means irregular slipping movement. They never move in a straight line. Let's observe their body, that how they slither. Snakes have an endoskeleton with a long backbone. The vertebrae of backbone are connected to each other through elastic muscles. They are also interconnected to ribs and skin. Dear children, actually the snake's body curves into many loops by moving the ribs on vertebrae. Each loop of the body gives a forward push and it creates wave in their whole body, and snake slithers.